Okay, you want to make a cables, and it seems very not fun, right? Playing with the cubes, because you need to move each segments here and there. So it's actually pretty fun. I don't like it back in the day, but here I'm going to show you how I usually add cables into my scenes, and it's actually pretty fun. First, you need to put a snap section tab here, face, active, and align rotation to target. So once you in it, you don't have to activate it. You can just grab it and hold control, and it's gonna stick on the surface there. Here I'm just gonna use I'm using my old scene. I did not finish it. So yeah, just hold control and put it here, put it there. It's up to you where do you want to put it, and you can even like try playing with it more, like maybe like this, so it has some kind of variations there. Or example, you want to have an edge that pretty not stretched like this, so you click this one and you click this one and right click and then subdivide it, so there's going to be another vertices in between, so you can try to make it like this. And if you want to make it more tighter, to click this one and subdivide it again, and you can try to make it like that. So try to play with the axis as well, move it here and there. And after you make one, like, it seems very crazy indeed, like you need to go through all these pillars maybe. What I did usually just to duplicate this one, and then I change some variations here just a bit, like not doesn't have to be that extreme, and subdivide it. Oops, did I click the wrong one? Okay, subdivide and make it like that. So after this, I think I want it to have like this one. It seems pretty far from the pillars, so from here I usually just a duplicate, same thing, and then mirror on. Look at that, I want to mirror on this axis, so it's Y, so just right click mirror on Y global, and that's what gonna get you. And why is it moving to there? Because the origin is here, so make sure that you put the origin to geometry, or here right click and then set origin to geometry. So it's gonna like already looking kind of same, but you can play more with it. Just try to play. It's gonna have more variations here, and as well maybe this one's much more more deeper. And I think this one is kind of like intersect, so I could make it like that as well. Yep, like that. So from here I could just control J, and it's one line now, so I could go here, geometry and depth, and it adds that cable thingy. It just adjust it over what you desire, how thick you want it to be. It's up to you. And once you copy this one and mirror it on Y and play with the scales maybe, and if it's still like looking pretty same, try to rotate it on x-axis for this one 180. So the top one you're gonna use the bottom one, gonna use the top one. So look at that, you wouldn't even notice if you duplicate it just from one object. So from here you can try to put it here, maybe rotate Z minus, put it here like that. Isn't that just amazing? And if you go to Metal Preview Render Mode, you wouldn't even notice if it's a duplicate. And if you want to put here, you can. So just rotate Y, 90, like that. So I'm gonna put it here, maybe make it small, maybe put it here and rotate. And look at that. If I mean, this thing is already like the roof here, it has no materials. If I just put a simple material, right, I'm gonna show you here. It's gonna like get to even more, looks more than complex. I mean, if you put the textures of those machinery textures, if you don't know what is machinery textures, make sure you watch the previous videos. Once you put this kind of textures on it, it's gonna look amazing though. Like that. Done roughness. Just play with the UV editor here. I can try to maybe rotate and why? Yeah, like just adjust it like to what I like. And this kind of cables is gonna look pretty good though, like trust me. Try to scale, like try a different scale. And yeah, that's it though. So you guys can try to put a bunch of these cables into your scenes. Thank you, by the way. Thank you for watching.